How to upload photos to Google Drive and share the link on Android. This tutorial shows you how to store your photos in the cloud and send them to anyone. First, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. After that, tap the plus button at the bottom right corner to open the upload options. From there, tap on Upload and select the photos you want to upload from your gallery. At this point, wait for the upload to finish. Depending on the number of photos and your connection speed, this may take a moment. In the next step, once the upload is complete, find the photo or folder in your drive and long press on it to open the options menu. Following this, tap on Share to open the sharing settings for that file. Once done, tap on Copy Link to grab the shareable link. From here, by default, the link may be restricted, so tap on the Access settings and change it to Anyone with the link so the recipient can open it without needing to be signed into a Google account. At this stage, set the permission to Viewer so they can see the photos but cannot make any changes or deletions. Finally, head over to any app like WhatsApp, Telegram, or email and paste the link to share it with whoever you want. And that's it. If this guide helped you upload and share photos on Google Drive on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.